turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby.
Let me hear you say,
Please.
let me hear you say,
Hey girl, hey, and fellas, what's good? It's your girl Quay, and welcome to my channel. I am so excited about restarting my YouTube with you guys. I'm excited about everything I have in store, lifestyle, beauty, makeup, hair, everything. But today we're going to talk about how I achieved this frontal install. And it is a wig that was made by me. Extensions came from my company, Love a Girl Hair. Details will be in the description box below. But before we get right into this video, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe below. And let's get right into this video. I have started with a flat braid down, and I'm now using a tan cap and cutting the ears so that I can get it as flat as possible to cover my sideburns. I am now applying the Got To Be glue, the black bottle, for my ball cap method. I am now spraying the Got To Be glue spray onto the cap for a little bit of extra hold. You can wait for each layer to dry and add more layers of spray, but I usually just do one. It is very important that your cap is completely dry before you cut it, and you will see why later. Now, cutting the cap, make sure you cut as close as possible to your skin. This is why I prefer hair scissors, but any kind of scissors are fine. But please, do not cut yourself. I don't have viewers insurance. I didn't allow my cap to dry on the sides, so my cap was lifting. All I did was press it back down and let it dry later because I'll be putting adhesive on it. I am now applying a cream concealer closest to my skin tone. Usually you don't have to put it as far back as I did, but since I have a 13x6 frontal, it goes farther back than usual. I'm using popsicle sticks and boho lace glue to apply my lace. There are other glues out there, but boho is just my favorite. Now I am applying a drop of glue to the popsicle stick and spreading it as flat as possible onto the edge of my cap and on my skin. I put on about 3 layers of glue. But before I put on my lace, I make sure that my lace glue is clear. Now is that time, girl. Let's apply that lace. Now, make sure your lace in your wig is in the right place before you put it down. And all you have to do is line your lace up with the glue. Sometimes you do need to add a little bit more glue to the front to stick the edge of your lace down. Since I brought that side up a little bit too far, I'm just going to add some glue and cut the excess lace off that I don't need. My sides usually like to lift quicker than the rest of my lace, so I just added a little bit more glue to that side for a longer hold because that side is showing more. Now, I'm using mousse from my local beauty supply store. You guys can use any mousse that you would like, but please make sure that it does not have any oils in it. I also prefer a lightweight mousse because you don't want it to be too hard when you need to comb it out when it dries. Since I have curly hair, I'm lightly using the hot comb to flatten it just a little bit more. But I want my curly hair to be fluffy, so I won't use it too much. Now on to the baby hairs. Now you're going to take some hair from the front, not too much, but not too little, and you're going to cut it to the length that you would like it. Shorter is usually better so that it can blend easily with the front of your hair. Now, after that, you will add mousse or any foam that you have to lay down the baby hairs and wrap it up later, which you will see in later clips. A lot of people say it's hard for them to do the baby hairs. It is very complicated to explain it, but if you continue to practice it, you will get the baby hairs how you would like it. It is very essential that you have something to wrap your hair with while it dries. Please do not use cotton scarves. Either use styling strips or silk scarves or silk wraps. I do have silk wraps in stock on my website. The description will be in the box below. After combing out your baby hairs, you do not have to do anything else for a soft look. But since I want a more defined look, I'm going to add Got To Be glue. For my final step, I'm just adding some water to my hair. I'm not going to use a lot of water, and I'm also not going to use any conditioner or any other products because I don't want a defined look. I just want a fluffy, curly look and not too much of a wet look. Thank you guys for tuning in to my YouTube. I really appreciate it. Please continue to like, comment, and subscribe below and share to your friends. Thank you.